Good morning, students. In previous class we have learnt about rounding numbers. Today let us start our new topic, Roman numerals. Roman numerals. As you know already, all numbers are written using symbols that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We call these as digits. Okay, these symbols as digits, and also we call numerals. Okay, numerals, the and also we can say numerals. Okay, this system was invented in India. This writing numbers by using digits, this system was invented in India and carried to other parts of the world by Arabs. Arabs people carried this system to other parts of the world. So we call this system as Hindu Arabic system. Hindu Arabic system. Okay, we call this system as Hindu Arabic system. Why we are calling Hindu Arabic means this system was invented in India and carried to other parts of the world by Arabic people. So we call this system as Hindu Arabic system. Okay. Now in ancient days Romans used another system. Who? Romans used another system. They used letters to write and read numbers. They used letters. Do you know letters? Yes, alphabets. They used some letters to write and read numbers. Okay. They used 7 symbols or numerals to read and write numbers. Okay. Look here. I will write that symbols. Roman numerals, Hindu Arabic, numerals. Like in Hindu Arabic numerals, we are having numerals, digits 0 to 9 symbols. Like that, in Roman numerals also, there are 7 symbols. By using these 7 symbols, we can write other numbers. Okay, look here. First, I will write Hindu Arabic numerals 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Okay, we will write 1 in Roman numeral as I, 5 as V, 10 as X, 50 as L, C, D and 1000 as M. Okay, these are Roman numerals and these are Hindu Arabic numerals. The symbol I is equal to 1. The symbol V is equal to 5. The symbol X is equal to 10. The symbol L is equal to 50. The symbol C is equal to 100. And the symbol D is equal to 500. The symbol M is equal to 1000. Okay. By using these Roman numerals, we can write numbers. Okay. Now, to write numbers, there are some rules are there. There is no symbol for 0 in the Roman system. In Hindu Arabic system, we are having 0, 1, 2, 3 numbers. 0, we have 0. But in Roman numerals, there is no symbol for 0. It does not use place values to write numbers. It uses rules of addition and subtraction of the numbers to write other numbers. Okay. These Roman numerals uses these symbols and it uses rules of addition and subtraction of these numbers to write another numbers. Okay, in these Roman numerals we are not having there is no symbol for 0. Okay, now let us learn rules of Roman numerals. We need to remember 3 rules for writing Roman numerals. How many rules? 3 rules. They are, first one, rule of repetition. rule of repetition. Second rule is rule of addition. Rule of addition. Third one is rule of subtraction. We need three rules for writing Roman numerals, that are rule of repetition, rule of addition, rule of subtraction. Let us learn each rule one by one. Okay. Now look at first rule. Rule of repetition. First rule is rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For example, we are having Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals. Roman numerals x, 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 x. Okay. As we know already, x means Hindu Arabic numerals, we'll get 10. Okay. Here, how many times repeated? 2 times. So, we can multiply with 2. So, we'll get 10 2s are 20. Here, 1, 2, 3. So, 10 into 3. 30 is the answer. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. If it is having 2 means we have to multiply with 2. If it is having 3 means we have to multiply with 3. This is first in the rule of repetition, first point. Okay. Now look at second point. Numerals I and X can be repeated. Okay. Repetition means here adding. I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. How many times? Repeated up to 3 times. We can repeat I and X up to 3 times. Look here. For example, Roman numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. Here Roman numerals. We are having I. Okay. This I means here 1 in Hindu Arabic system. Here 2 I is given means what I said already, 2 times. So 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2. 3 given. So 3 ones are 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 given, 4. These 3 are correct, but this is wrong because I and X repeated up to 3 times only. Only 3 times we have to repeat. We should not repeat 4, 5 times. Okay. So we will write in another way. For 4, like this only 3 times we have to repeat I and X. Okay. Rule of addition. A numeral written after a numeral of a greater value means addition. For example, V I is there. Okay. V means 5. I means 1. 5 is greater than 1 means a numeral written after a numeral of greater value. Greater value after, if we get small number, then we have to add these two. Okay. 5 plus 1, it will be 6. Okay. For example, X I. X I. Here X means 10 and I means 1. So 10 is greater than 1. So we have to add 10 plus 1, 11. We will write 11 in numeral system, Roman numbers like this. Okay. One more example. X V. Okay. X means 10 and V means 5. 10 plus 5, 15. So 15. This is 15. 10 is greater than 5. Like this. Here rule of addition is a numeral written after a numeral of greater value. After numeral of greater value, if we get after the numeral of greater value small numeral this side, means we have to do addition. Okay, addition. Next, rule 3. Rule 3, that is rule of subtraction. Rule of subtraction. A numeral I written before a numeral of greater value means subtraction. For example, x, I, x. I means 1 here, x means 10. Here we got, before we got, so we have to do subtraction. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. For 9 we will write like this. Okay. One more example. I, v. V means 5 and I means 1. So 5 is after I. So we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. This is rule of subtraction. This is first. Okay. Now second one. If the numeral I is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is subtracted from the numeral on the right side. For example, x, I, v. Okay. Here x value is 10, I value is 1 and v value is 5. Okay. 10, 1, 5. Yes. So it is placed in between the two numerals of having greater values. So if we get like this, then this I is subtracted from the numeral on the right side. So we will write 10 as it is and this 5 written here and 1 is written here. 5 minus 1, 4. 10 plus 4, that is 14. Look here children, textbook page number 94. This box is given. Use the Roman system rules to complete the table. Up to now we learned rules. By using the rules we have to complete this total table. Okay. Look here, I will write here. Okay. First 1 to 10. As we know already, in Roman system we'll write 1 as I and 5 as V, 10 as X. Okay. That in that first rule is rule of repeating. We can repeat I and X only 3 times. So here for I we can write 1. For 2 we can repeat I 2 times. This is I 2 times repeated. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 1 I 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Here we can write 4 times. No, if we get like this, we will subtract 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. So we'll write like this. V minus subtracting means we have to write this side. If we are adding means we will write next side. This is 5 only. So we'll write here 5. Next 6. 6 means we have to add 1. V I. 5 plus 1 6. V I. Next 5 plus I plus I. 1 plus 1. V I I. Again 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. V I I. Here 5 plus I plus I plus I plus 4 times we can write. No, because I should be repeated only 3 times. So we'll write 10. After 10 is there, no? So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means x minus subtracting. So we have to write before I x. X value is 10. This is 1 to 10 Roman numbers. Now look at 11 to 20. Look here. 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. So 10 is written as x and 1 is written as I. So again 10 plus 2. 1 plus 1. So x I 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So x 1 2 3 13. Now 10 plus we'll write 4 lines here. No, 4 i's we should not write. Why? Because I is repeated only 3 times. 3 times. So x we'll write here. What is the symbol for 4? S I V. So 10 plus 5 minus 1, that is 14. Next, x 10 plus 5. 5 for 5 we are having V. Next, 10 plus VI. 10 plus VII. 10 plus VII. Next, for 10 plus, for 9 how we will write? Yes, IX. So we'll get here IX. Next, X 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Look here. 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is 7. 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 10 minus 1. Okay. This is 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Now look at 21 to 30. 21 to 30. As we know, for 20, 20 plus 1. For 20 we'll write x. For 1 we'll write I. So xi. Next, 20 plus 1 plus 1. 22. X I. Next again, 20 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. X 1 1. 20 plus 4. For 4 we will write 5 minus 1. So x 5 minus 1, 4 we will write like this. So 1v. Next, 25. 20 plus 5. Next, 20 plus 5 plus 1. So x v I. X v I. 20 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Next, 20 plus 5 plus 1 plus, how many ones we should write here? 3, because 8. X v 1 2 3. Next, 20 plus, for 9 how we will write? 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1. 29. X 1 ix. Next, for 30, how many times we should repeat? 3 times. 1 2 3. 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 20 plus 10. Okay, this is 21 to 30. Now write 31 to 40. Okay, for 30 we'll write 3x as 1 2 3. 30 plus 1, 31. 30 plus 1, so 1 I. Complete 31 to 39. Okay, thank you.